Billy Joe, I reckon you gonna sit down right now before I take this here seatbelt off and wear you out. Darling, would you mind taking your seat, please? I've got to start driving. Whenever you are ready to sit down, let me know. Whenever you are ready, let me know so that I can start driving. Sit down! I don't give a damn about this seatbelt. Sit down. I'm said sit down on the goddamn chair right now. Sit down. Blood of Jesus. Put your seatbelt. Strap your seatbelt before I strap my fingers across your face. Fola le gringo. I'm only going to ask you one more time, just one. Pero put your seatbelt so that I can get to where I need to go. Pero you need to sit down. Siéntate. Pero siéntate aquí. Ay, Dios mío. Sit down and put on your seatbelt before I lick you in your mouth. Ras, blouse and skirts.